Welcome to EIP Editing Office Hour meeting number 37. This is issue 335 on Cat Herders EIP IP GitHub repository. We have a handful of proposals listed here for status change and other reviews. Final last call, and I think there are some miscellaneous proposals where we are not very sure, like if they needs to be open or they can be closed. So I'm having all of them listed here. May I request Sam Wilson to perhaps go ahead and start reviewing the proposal? We are joined by author of proposal 7575, which is PR number 411 on ERC GitHub repository.
Yeah, sure. We can get started with this one. Hopefully this will just be quick.
Yeah, let me know if you need any context.
Oh yeah, of course. Okay. So have there been any significant changes recently to it, or?
Not really. There were some comments that we clarified, but it was really mostly about kind of clarifying how it worked. And we
Okay.
added kind of a reference implementation and a few other things just to make that clearer. Yeah, maybe, yeah. The reason why we're also, I really like to push this forward is the fact that this ERC is a dependency of ERC 7540, which is the asynchronous fault standard. So yeah,
Yeah, and
that's
you want to
why,
get this one done. Yeah,
exactly.
that makes sense. Okay. That's good. Good. Looks fine. And this is the correct interface ID. You've triple checked it.
Might quadruple check it now that you're saying it, but yes.
Okay.
We have it in our code already implemented, so I think it's right. But yeah, I mean, I guess we can still make changes like that in the last call stage, right? In theory, if we find an issue.
Yeah, you'd have to start it over again, but yeah.
Oh, you mean like the last call deadline, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Looks good. And then we have a reference implementation here. Okay.
That's just
Wait a
this
minute.
165 ERC
Oh,
ID.
okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
I think, at least I think so. If I'm looking at it, yeah.
Yeah, it's in all of them, so that makes sense. Let's roll ERC20. No, wait, you can put functions inside functions? I didn't know that.
Oh, that is actually a typo. Ah, shit.
Okay.
Good catch. That should be two different functions below each other.
Yeah, no, I figured. So just edit this for you. No, I can't. Okay. I mean, otherwise it looks fine. So if you just want to fix that typo, yeah, it'll be good to go.
Cool. Thank you. Can I ask a clarifying question in the process, actually?
Yeah, of course.
So I said 7540 is dependent on this one. So when this is moved to last call, can we also move 7540 to last call already then, or does
Yep.
7575 first need to be finalized, or how does that work?
No, you can
Wasn't
move
entirely
it
clear
to
for me.
last call. Yeah.
Okay. All right, cool.
It just
Thank
has to be equal to or greater than. So
Okay, right.
Awesome. So I see there is one proposal pending for final, and then we can go to the last one here on for the last call.
That's all of them. Okay. So last call deadline is passed. We're removing 6538. Why are we removing? Okay. Yeah, so you can't remove that. Um, well, yeah. I guess I don't really care that much about it. Okay. Let's go see if there's any new discussions that have happened down here. Not. No. Okay. Okay. The specification establishes a standardized method for interacting with stealth addresses, which allows senders of transactions between private accounts exclusively accessible by their recipients. Moreover, this specification enables developers to create stealth address protocols based on the foundational recipients. Okay. Standardization of non-interactive stealth addresses generation. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Yeah, I think this looks fine. I'll give this an approve. Okay, so let's go take a look at
The last
6538.
call.
Yeah, so yeah, there's no recent discussion on here. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty minor. That's a typo fix. That's fine. Okay. Why are they defining a registry contract? I mean, oh, because there's only a single one of them. That makes sense. Okay, guarantees interoperability. That's fine. Yeah, that looks good. So the only thing we need to do is change the last call deadline. So 2 weeks from today is June 4th, June 11th. Rather. All right.
So the next one here is a bunch of miscellaneous proposals like pull requests. As we can see, 233, 34, 35, they are kind of going in together. The proposal's last status is stagnant, and before stagnant, it was in draft status. So I see there are two different set of proposals made here. One is to move it to review, which kind of makes sense because it is in draft to stagnant, can be moved to review, but then there is an ask to move it to final because this has already been implemented somewhere. I wonder what could be done here. To me personally, it doesn't seem like a right fit. Yeah, but please
Yeah.
take a look.
Set them to last call so they can become final. And take it straight to final. Balance key derivation.
My only worry is like this may create a bad precedent, and people will say that because this is an ERC, people can come back say that because my proposal has already been implemented in this and this project, it should be moved to final.
Okay. Shows method for deriving tree hierarchy, balance 12, 3, 1 keys based on entropy seed. Okay. Standard before the first use of the keys. Okay. Yeah, I think this is pretty solid as far as the EIPs go. Cool. So we'll just this. What did I say? 2 weeks was the 11th. So we can mark those view. We can move on to this one. So, determination account hierarchy structure. Your description really doesn't add a lot here. Okay. And then, so the server allocating keys generated by specific purpose. Yeah, okay. This BLS signatures over blah. Okay. By integers. Yeah, this all looks good. Backwards compatibility, cool. Um, okay. So we can go back when this viewed. And do the same thing here. Same idea. Okay. Period. Okay. So you're linking to those. Good. Good. I think this is all probably fine. There's a JSON schema. That's good. Okay. Cool.
Do we want to merge that as well? Because you have already changed the date. So if we merge it, it would be
Yeah, so the problem is I don't want to merge it, just like setting the descriptions for
all right.
Carl. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right. In that case, there is another request here, like the PR 362, 363, and 364 that can be closed now because all of them are being addressed by 386.
Sure.
And for the next one, I wonder if this needs to be closed because this seems to be a potential ERC opened on EIP GitHub repository.
Yes, I think you're right. Yeah, there's solidity in here, so.
So we can simply close it because I think the message has already been conveyed. Yeah, or you can always add it. Yep.
All right.
And I think similar case with this one as well.
This is an ERC.
Okay, let me see. Oh, no. That was
So
just
this
a
is
primary comment. Why? Oh, yeah. So there is this last comment by Bumblefudge, like these are the same idea, so we can close this. I don't know if this is right or wrong, but yeah, you might want to take a look.
well, this will close itself in 3 months, so I'll just not touch it and
All right.
yeah,
No, that's
it'll
all
close
good.
eventually.
Of course. I am just trying to
Get the
look
numbers
into
down.
proposals. Yeah, but I mean, like, there's no need of keeping it open if it is not needed anymore. But that's all right. It can be closed all by itself unless author chooses to do that. So there's one more proposal, which is ERC, that is ERC number 369 and has been requested in the comment of this agenda to be reviewed.
There's this one here, dual
Yeah,
nature.
yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay. That seems fine. This proposal relates integration of fungible contracts, semi-fungible, two token contracts and synchronizing operations between them. Okay. Compare, blah, blah, change, okay. Okay. Twenty. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's a pretty easy one. So let's comment on this. I can just make these changes. I'm probably going to have to leave a little bit early today. I just got a call from my lawyer. Um, so I will finish this and then I will see you all in 2 weeks probably.
Sam, if I may request you to, whenever you get a chance, look into uh, an EIP versioning scheme EIP that was also proposed in one of the EIP meeting. And
Yeah, I remember that one.
yeah, these people showed up. The PR number is 8034. So if they can get a number, it would be easier for them to communicate. They also showed up on EOF call requesting, like, they want to implement something over there, had some proposal, but they're not moving forward because this hasn't been merged yet.
Okay, yeah, awesome.
So yeah, that is there. Thank you so much, Sam, for taking out time for this. See you in 2 weeks.
Yeah, see ya.
Yeah. Bye-bye.